So, it has been a year since we have started restoring Pripyat. That time we have repaired a flat. We've cleaned it, painted the walls, and brought some furniture. Can you imagine what happens then? Nowadays there are 5 flats and a kindergarten have been repaired by stalkers. So our example has worked, and Pripyat is being restored. And we've got another idea. Tonight we're going to power up the sign of USSR, which is on the rooftop of the 16th floor building. To make it real, we have taken some LED strip light and solar cells, batteries and everything. So they will accumulate energy for night. And at night it's going to glow like neon. There's also a special module made with Arduino. It has a program that will control proper working of the whole system. It will make the lights work automatically. It will turn on the light when it's dark. A photoresistor. It will also create the effect of glowing neon, so it's gonna blink a bit and draw even more attention. I don't know what to think about it. Anyway, we have to work hard tonight. We are about to fasten strip light, and it is going to be working until some vandals break it. The battery will work for a few years for sure. It's going to consume the infinite sun energy, so the emblem of USSR is going to be glowing for really long. It will be seen from everywhere in Pripyat. It is the highest point. Unfortunately, there is an organization of vandals in Pripyat. It is called Anarchistic Vandal Organization. But we're going to stop them. To do so, we will hide lots of cameras all over Pripyat. We're going to set them everywhere. Let me explain you how we're gonna do it, because you may think it is impossible. The thing is, we are using the special camera traps for hunting. We have selected video mode and added more powerful batteries, so now one camera trap can work for a month. There is one more advantage of these cameras. We can set here an internet card. Yes, somewhere in Pripyat there is some internet. And eventually we're getting everything the cameras have filmed right on our email. So even staying in Lugansk, I will be able to see what's happening in Pripyat. Of course, the camera traps are motion activated. They will not consume energy if there is no movement. And we will also hide one of our cameras in our flat. We're gonna hide it nicely. You will never find it. The second camera will be on the rooftop near the sign. So if someone tries to break our neon strip or something, you will see it on the channel. And the third camera trap will be near the Ferris wheel, just to see what happens there. The rest of the cameras will be set in the places of frequent vandalism, so I'm not going to tell you where. So yes, we're going to finally learn who breaks stuff in Pripyat. And I hope we can stop it. So there will be a small antenna, there are sensors, they work when someone comes in the range, and they start working when they see something in the distance. They give a signal to load the system. I've got the microphone right here, on the front side, to better hear what's happening. And it can hear very well. I've checked it, it can record whispers in the distance, so it's all cool. There's also an infrared filming option. So we will get the image in complete darkness. It can film at 15 meters distance. Well guys, we're getting ready for moving. Dima is still sleeping. Have you got something tasty? Yeah, bounty. LED light is here, we've got the cameras here too. We will leave them. It is an hour until dawn. And we're going to the most risky place, but in the most safe time. Did you sleep well, Dima? Yeah, awesome. It is cold outside, maybe 5 Celsius now. We're going to attach a LED strip light. Guys, we are lost in Pripyat at night. Not really, Alex. We just can't see anything. We're trying to use Maps.me. GPS doesn't work without internet here. I think we are going the wrong way. Yeah, really. Maybe we can go through this street? Okay, let's try. It is the wrong way again. Oh my gosh, it's so nasty here, it's really dark. Maybe other stalkers are looking at us from the windows, I can't understand what we're doing here. We're just going in circles like idiots. Is there a path? I think so. Use your flashlight, maybe there is nothing here. We have to go around this house, on the left side. You mean this long one? I think we must go forward. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's a path. I think that's it, guys. We have found the way. We are entering the building already. The tallest building in Pripyat. This place scares. But it's alright. We know this place well. There is a staircase. Let's go. We are on the top. Oh my gosh. Look at the nuclear power plant. Holy moly, it's so bright. And we have reached the sign, the emblem. Holy moly. We have to use flashlight, because we don't see anything. We can only see the wires, the scotch tape. Sergey Tracer is searching for insulating tape. I think I've lost it. The battery is on the place. By the way, there are still some original bulbs over there. Though Dima says they were all stolen. Here they are. It is down already, and is getting brighter every second. The wind is really strong here. Guys, you can't imagine how big this sign is. I saw the picture of it, but I couldn't imagine its size. It is grand. Sergey Tracer is fastening the last LED strip. Meanwhile, Dima is downstairs. He is on the lookout. I can't see him now. The day comes, and it is getting not really safe to stay here. I have finished. Cool. We have just finished installing. See what we've got. There's a solar panel. The cell is facing south. All the wires are hidden in this plastic bag. Oh no, I nearly forgot to connect the solar cell. Now it's gonna start charging. It is working. Okay, Alex, go down. I'm coming. I have connected it. The charging goes. How long do you think it will be there? For how long the emblem is gonna work? That is how it looks like. Well, Sergey, is it bright enough? That's not bad. Let's think about installing the hidden camera. Maybe you should hide them somewhere near the things. Maybe there, but that is too obvious. There is a nice high place here. I wanted to fasten the cam here, what do you think? I think it's gonna be okay. No one looks there. Yeah, I think people got used to this Soviet casing, and they are not likely to see a modern camera here. Do you think our camera will be stolen, guys? Or not? I think it will be stolen today. Anyway, we've got plenty of them. We can always set more. But where we can place it? There's no place to hide it. Maybe here? But it will be seen well. Only a blind man will not see it here. Can I cover this? What is that, Alex? The microphone. It must be open. We're gonna hear what they're talking about. It is almost not seen here. Sergey, we cannot see it. Oh no, the diode blinked. The red lamp. We should cover it. We can't see it at all. People would rather look the opposite side, the NPP. And they will not pay attention to it. Oh my gosh. Can you see a camera? Let's come closer and show you. Let's come closer. It is over there, I can hardly see it. Let's take a look. There it is. I don't know what it's gonna film, you will see it later. I'm going to climb over there and turn on the sign, the LED strip, and then we're gonna run from here, before anyone sees us here. Holy moly, this is hot, guys, it is really bright. I think anyone can see it now. We have to get out of here. Let's run faster, or we're gonna be caught. The main thing, it works. In the evening we're gonna film it. We are out of the building. Let's go faster. Come on. We can see it from here. There it is, the 16th floor. It is becoming dangerous here. We are leaving. Now it is going to charge the whole day, and in the evening it will be activated. Of course, we're gonna show you how it works. We want to know if it's bright. We had some rest, and now we're getting the rest of the cams ready for installing. There it is, guys.
Готово.
Do you think this camera will be seen well?
Кто не заметит такую камеру?
Let me show it better.
Выглядит на солнышке.
Okay, in the sun it is seen well. I hope no one will see it from distance. You've got a cool burner actually. Anton has a worse one. Why is there some plastic on it? Can it melt? No. What can you tell me about KV burners, guys? It has a generator. This system is called jet boil. Can you charge a smartphone? I don't know actually. It looks so modern, and I accidentally start searching for a USB. Oh, there's a radiator. This thing is not letting the wind blowing on this flame, and it heats really fast. A burner with a radiator. His stew should be cut, I think. I think so. Is it good quality? It is Ukrainian stewed meat, so it has to be good. Chef Sergey Tracer has cooked a meal for you. Well guys, we had a break and now we're going to install the hidden cams all over Pripyat. It is spooky. But look at these nice mushrooms. They're so big. Do you know what is that? Oh my, what the heck is that? Is it the abandoned playground? A spooky place. What is this place? I'm not sure, I don't know. Let's see. It is connected with gas. Yeah, I see. And I can smell gas, guys. Have you got a lighter? It has been abandoned for 30 years, but I can still smell the gas. So there's some gas nearby. What is that? Looks like a gas distributing reducer. There's another one. What is that? There was someone. There? There are people. Oh my gosh. Maybe we should hide? Oh, they can't see us here. I think they can't. We have to be silent. There goes something. It is the helicopter, guys. He's flying so close. But they can't see us. We're hiding. Oh my gosh. Do you hear that, guys? He's over there. Why are they here? The excursions. Excursions? Really? It is hardly possible. Oh my gosh, cool mushrooms. Do you know what are these guys? Look like pale fire agaric. We're crossing the road. It's dangerous. Do you think you can fix this one? Yeah. It is only scrap metal all around, guys. Someone has broken everything on purpose. You can't even guess what was that. Only doors left. Without skin. That's a hell. These are the famous Chernobyl penthouses. Let's take a look at them. The entrance look richer. Take a look. Even the grass look well groomed. Though this place was abandoned long ago. It looks nice. The bars on the windows, the air conditioning. Entrance number 1, first to 15 flats. Now we can feel the terrifying cold at once. There's a list of people who live there. Let's run upstairs. There's a big safe. Holy moly. This building is very different. We've decided to check out flat number 13. I have never seen a flat which has 2 floors. Look at the floor. This house is in disrepair. The toilet is okay. Where is the staircase? Oh my gosh. As far as I know, there were no 2-floor flats in Soviet times at all. How can it exist? Everyone thinks that Soviet times brought equality, but few still had advantages. No one was telling anyone about it, and these people simply lived in their luxurious flats. Wow. So these flats look just the same like normal flats. The doors were normal and so on. So the only thing make difference are these stairs and the second floor, right? Well, let's go, guys. The stairs are wooden, so we must be careful. I gotta be careful, it may fall down. It's so rotten. It looks like a regular Pripyat flat. The only thing, it has 2 floors.
Похоже на дачу.
It looks like dacha. Yeah, you may think so because of stairs.
Эффект, типа мы на
The
второй
effect of the second floor. A door, plenty of some closets. We have been thinking about how many years these houses will stand. And I think maybe they will last for 10 years.
Ты так думаешь?
10 years? Do you really mean it? I think so. I think they will stand 30 years more. But Alex, they're often flooded and so on. What do you think, guys? How many years will Pripyat live? Write your options. Dima, can you tell me the year the government stopped caring about these houses and heating them? People stopped caring about the city in 1994. But what about heating? They did some heating, but lesser and lesser. And eventually, in 1998, there was no heating. Nothing? Yeah, nothing. So these flats stand here for 30 years, with no heating. Anyway, I think in 10 years, there's gonna be nothing here.
Еще одна двухэтажка.
Another penthouse, the stairs are closed. What is wrong with it? Looks okay. The wallpaper are down, but that's it.
Оказывается, эти вторые.
Generally, these second floors are extensions, the attics. At that moment, I've got an email from the hidden cam we have installed today. It has detected some movements. I'm downloading the video to see what happened here. Oh my, who are they? Are they going to check the emblem? Do they want to take it off? No, they haven't mentioned that. There are so many here. He is looking at the direction where is our camera. What?
А воно труба котельня?
Да.
То там у нас...
Та ще поменше. Та ще видно площадки обслуговуючі на ній.
Там наша релейка. Сюди вообще ідеально.
Что сюда идеально?
What did he say?
Что они хотят тут
What
делать?
are they gonna do? He said antenna. Do they want to install something? What? Radio?
Получается, ближайшее место, где врубиться, пожарка вон столб стоит. Ориентир потерял. Ну, вон пожарка.
Seems like they're going to improve the signal in Pripyat. That is amazing. Now anywhere in the world I can see what's happening in Pripyat.
Наблюдать за тем, что происходит в Припяти.
It is working already. Perfect. The rest hidden cameras will be a secret.
Показывать, где поставил. А то вдруг
I don't want anyone to steal them.
придет и украдет их.
If you find this hidden camera, please give it back to Kreosan
За
for a small reward.
вознаграждение.
It is seen well if someone looks inside. It is so risky. We don't have other option.
Напиши.
Write us about the places you would like to see,
Интересно наблюдать.
and we will set the cameras there.
Ловушек.
It's getting dark, and we are moving closer to the building we have installed LED strip. It isn't it? We need the neighbor building. It is over there. I know. We want to see it glowing. Oh my. See it? Oh yeah, it is glowing. Always working. I'm very glad no one has stolen it the first day. Yeah, really. That looks cool. I think that normal stalkers will never touch it. That is cool when something is glowing, you know? It's a dead city, but now it has its highlight. Guys, it is dark and we can see it better. The camera can show it well. It's very bright. I think the security is gonna go there now to check what's happening and who made it, but no one is there. Do you think they're gonna go there now, Dima? Check out the roof. Sure, when they see the emblem. Alright, now we're going back to our flat.
Квартиру.
Oh my, deforest. And in the next video we will search for some Chernobyl vehicles
Чернобыльскую технику.
and try to restore it.